Hi everyone. As an intraday trader, you must be having a very basic expectation that an alerting system. This will ensure that you don't miss the trading opportunity. Maybe as a beginner, you may have an expectation that Murugan, is there is any tool which let us know when a company crosses so and so prices? Or as a pro, you may have some technical indicators in your mind or some parameters or some filters in your mind. So when so and so company matches, let's say, open low and becoming a day gainer and having a gap and with volume surge, I want that particular stock to be available. And that's a pretty pro level expectations. And that is what precisely I'm going to explain it in this particular video, because we cannot look at screen every minute. But if you look at the day traders, they may have a multiple screens. True, because why? They don't want to miss the trading opportunities. But if there is any infrastructure which works behind the screen and keep you updated timely, then it will solve your real problem. That is what we are going to see in this particular video. And myself, Murugan, I am so excited to present you a wonderful tool which enables intraday trader to become much more smarter. Let's get in detail. Remember, if you wish to use EQSIS alert system, you need to be a registered user, number one, so that we understand your email address. And if you want the alert system to be communicated, then it should be enabled with the Telegram, because EQSIS use a Telegram by which we actually communicate to you. So we have a special bot called EQSIS Alert Bot. How do you get it? Go to Telegram and search for EQSIS Alert Bot, and then it will ask you an email address. So the email address what you use to register for this platform, give the same email address there, and it sends you an OTP so that you can verify yourself. And once you verify your email address, so whatever the alerts you set here, those communications will be reaching you via that particular Telegram. So how to set alerts now? You have to get into this manage alerts. And look at this, what it shows is this feature is available only for those who logged in, okay? And so you need to enable the alert as well. So in order to do that, what I can actually do is I just need to log in here. And if you are new to this platform, click the register button, create an account. Otherwise, if you already have an account, make sure that you head this particular area. And then why you need to log in? Only then this personalization can happen, right? Only when you log in, the tool can understand that you, the one who set the alert, and then it can communicate with you. And make sure that again you go to this intraday scanner and then you try setting up this particular alert. Okay, now it actually gives me an option called set new alerts. But by any chance, if it is giving you a different error telling you that you have not authorized in your Telegram bot, it means your Telegram authorization is still pending. So what you have to do, as I told you, that go to Telegram, search for EQSIS alert bot, and then give your email address and get the OTP, and then everything can be done. If you still have a problem, try contact us. We can help you by solving the problem. Let me now give you a demo how to set an alert. So what you have to do is set new alerts, and then it is giving you the price hyphen. So if I want a stock with a combination of day gainer, and having a RSI below 30, it means the stock is a day gainer. But for some reason the stock is correcting. Am I right? So I want to have a below 30. And such stock having a volume surge. So suddenly there is a volume surge. So this is a stock will have this behavior, right? What behavior it will be having it? It may be the stock which is moved really well, and then that particular stock is now coming down because the RSI at this point of time is having a 30 around. So it means the corrective pattern is there. And all of the sudden, if there is a volume surge now, such stocks to be communicated, because I see that maybe a trading opportunity available. And how do I get communicated? Via Telegram. So even if you are not in front of system, you are going somewhere else. But if you are a good user of a Telegram, you may be getting notified. And of course, the screen will also get the notification. But what if you're not in front of the screen? The Telegram. So that is how. So if I want to save this, I can save the activity alert. So what happens now? This system behind the screen, even if I log out, okay, it doesn't matter. Even if I log out, if I go elsewhere, the bot will actually communicate to me. But what combinations work, what combination doesn't work, all that you have to decide. But this particular video talks about how to set the alerts from EQSIS Intraday Scanner by which you get communicated. I hope this particular infrastructure really saves time and enables you not to miss any trading opportunities. If you find this particular video is very interesting and useful to you, make sure that you give a good thumbs up at the like button, and do subscribe if you are new to EQSIS, and do share this video by which we get motivated. I hope it benefits a lot to all of us. Thank you.